Hello viewers, today I will be doing a Ringtones video on the Panasonic KX-TG220, which I have connected to my Bluetooth system, which this isn't a Bluetooth phone at all, but it works for some odd reason. And if I don't sound well, I am tired. I got no sleep last night. So, here's the Ringtones. This sounds like my ice cream truck. My personal favorite for Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and out.